Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Elle and thank you so much for watching. So today I'm going to pack for LA. I kind of started already. I literally made a full list because I'm the worst packer. I wait till the last second and I just get stressed out and just put like everything in my luggage. So I made a list. I'm gonna read this to you so that way you can have kind of a guide that you can make for yourself if you're packing for anywhere, if you have any trips coming up. And I'm also going to show you some of my pieces and I'm going to see if I can fit them all in here. So I went ahead and divided all of my sections into makeup, skincare, body, shower, socks, undies, bra, sleep, workout, and outfits. So that way I can write out my outfits and then write what I need with each outfit, if that makes sense. The makeup was probably the hardest part because I just kept wanting to throw everything in there. And I know that I don't use all of it. So I wanted to make sure I packed things that I would use. So, you know, if I didn't use all of it, that's okay. So for makeup, I put primer, foundation, highlighter, powder, bronzer, highlight powder, not the liquid. I don't know if I said that. An eyeshadow palette, eyebrow pencil, gel, mascara, curler, concealers, brushes, setting spray, and micellar water. So I know this is kind of a lot for makeup, so for some people that don't do foundation, you can just do your skincare, mascara, brows, but I really wanted to do like a full face, and I didn't even include lashes, so I'm kind of shocked at myself. So for skincare, toner, moisturizer, serum, eye cream, contacts, eye drops, glasses, deodorant, perfume, meds, toothbrush, body, lotion, shower, dry shampoo. I don't know why, but I added like toothbrushes in here, hair dryer, and then socks. I just did like my sleeping socks if I like am about to go to bed, and then socks to wear with my tennis shoes. And then I'm gonna skip the other part. I just brought a few sports bras, a wireless bra, things to sleep in, so just a couple t-shirts and shorts. And then I know I'm going to be hiking and playing volleyball, so I put in like 2 outfits, for one for volleyball and one for hiking. And then the other outfit section, I have like 4 or 5 outfits that, you know, I know we're going to do like maybe 4 things, so I'm not sure which outfit I'm going to wear, so I wanted to just bring all of those. But so far that is what I brought. And then I brought like, I think I have 4 or 5 pairs of shoes, depending on what we're gonna do. I know I did not wear those last time, but it's better to have it and not need it than to want to have had it and not have had it, if that makes sense. I just kind of want to feel prepped when I get there. I brought a few extra goodies as well, like hats and stuff, so I think that that kind of concludes what I'm bringing. I didn't want to forget, I think I said sunglasses, but I always bring towels to clean off my makeup with. I think that's super important. I don't know if most people bring those, but I'm just gonna see what I can fit. And there are a few pieces where maybe if I can't fit it, I won't bring it. But literally the skincare, body, makeup, and shower all fit in this. So I'm super excited. I know this is like big, but like if it all fits in here, I'm gonna take my chances. And then literally I'll show you my bed. So this is so far what I'm working with. Let me turn this. Okay, so I have a couple shirts over here that I'm going to use in a sports bra that's drying, but I have like a bucket hat, sunglasses, hair dryer, outfits, 2 bikinis, and this is my sportswear section, socks, that type of thing, and sleepwear. So like literally it doesn't look like that much, it's just the shoes are gonna kill me. I think I'm gonna bring these 4, and then I have this dress. So we're gonna see how it fits and what I'm going to do to fit it in this tiny luggage right here. So okay, so here I am finding out that I can't fit everything in my suitcase. So literally in this video I'm going to be taking things out and putting them back in, but I decided to do a voiceover for this video because I thought it would be a lot easier for you guys to hear kind of what's going on. So these are my Gymshark shorts and the sports bra that I'm gonna wear whenever I go hiking
And then I'm going to show you, this is the top I'm going to wear with that. I think I'm going to wear the sports bra actually for volleyball. And then I have blue shorts that are super cute, and I'm going to wear that little t-shirt. It kind of goes over the sports bra, and it looks super cute on. So I literally tried these on as well, so it kind of took a little bit extra. And this is the purse that I'm going to take whenever I go out. I think it's just so cute. It's perfect, small, fits everything you need. This is a tank top I love, and jean shorts that I can't live without. So I'm going to have that as more of a casual day or like a brunch date if we do that. And then this is a dress that I got with my mom, and I'm obsessed with it. It's so cute. It has little swirls on it. I feel like it's like strawberry ice cream vibes, and I really just love it a lot. So I'm going to wear that with like little Nike Airs, which I think would be super cute. And these are those long sleeve kind of like businessy shirts. I'm going to wear the white one with a bikini, and then the other one I'm going to wear with shorts and that tank top, which I think would be cute. This is a shirt that I'm going to wear for sleeping, and I'm not sure why, but I only filmed like parts of this. I guess more so just outfit parts. But I'm obsessed with these shorts from Princess Polly. I think they're so cute and comfortable, but they're huge, and it was really, really hard to pack them in my suitcase. So I'm doing the best I can, okay? And then this shirt is so cute. It's from Garage. I'm obsessed with it. And the pants are also from Garage that I'm about to show you, and they're so cute. I'm going to insert photos here so that way you can see what the outfits actually look like. I literally took test outfits also so I could figure out what I wanted to pack, what I felt good in, and yeah, so my tennis shoes take up so much space, and it's literally killing me, but I don't know what else to do. So I wanted to bring sleep shorts as well and just extra socks, but I was trying to figure out where to put everything because it just wasn't fitting. And also I really wanted to bring like jeans in case like I wanted to wear it with a tank top instead, if it like we ended up going out for like food or something. I don't know. And I brought this bucket hat because I thought it was super cute. But it was so hard to pack. Like I literally underestimate it every single time, and I think I can pack and then I can't. So what I've been doing literally is just packing what I can, my favorite outfits, and then I've been taking things out that I'm like, oh, I guess I don't really need this, because what if I bring something back? Like I want to have space for that. And I also have a carry-on bag that has a lot of room in it, and I don't have that many things in there on purpose because I really didn't want to carry a lot of things. I just hate carrying a lot of things on my carry-on. But so here I am taking out suntan lotion. I'm like, oh, my friend would definitely have suntan lotion. So I keep taking things out, and I'm like, did I pack good? But I really thought I did. Like I showed you guys everything I packed. I thought it was good. And here we are again. It's fitting now. So I must have edited the other part, but it's fitting now. So that's good. I have the extender on, of course. That is a good tip for you.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. It really means a lot to me. I had so much fun filming it, and I really had fun packing, which stressed me out all week, so I put it off until like the last second. But I really just felt like I packed better this time and smarter, less things, which is kind of shocking, but also things that I know I'm going to use. So it really helped making that list, and I hope that that helps you guys in the future. And you can feel free to write that down, or stop my video, pause it, and write that down if that helps you. So I really hope that you can kind of use this as a resource for yourself too. Let me know if you liked these looks, and if you want to see a little vlog for my trip. That would be super fun. So thank you guys. Bye.